Yo, it's your main man Ty back on the attack, man. With two of the newest and the hottest joints in the clipper game. We're talking about the Limural collection. The Limural Clipper collection. You've got to get on this. These clippers are fire. Understand? Both of them. Okay, first starting off with the K11S. The Limural K11S. Write that down. Then you want the Limural F30. Okay, write that bad boy down. Trust me. I'm going to do a demonstration, a haircut demonstration on both of these clippers right here, and they're both going to be phenomenal. Trust me. Now, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guards, okay? 6 guards. When you put it on, it's rocking and rolling, man. I'm just telling you right now. Okay, you're looking right at it. It's beautiful, sexy, it runs quiet and strong. Very strong. 2,500 a battery, whatever. It has 3 hours charge time and 5 hour usage time. Okay? The Limural F30. This is the hot new one. As soon as you open it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guards. And of course, here it is. Come on, man. Come on, man. The sexy girl herself right here. You're looking at her right there. And it's so fine. So fine. Blows your mind. I'm telling you right now, it is a gorgeous, gorgeous clipper. Right off the box itself. Right there. Right there up on top. Right here in this area. You can see that the barrier distribution itself is 3,400 mark. 3,400 mark. You understand? Uses 15 watts. You understand what I'm saying? 15 watts in this bad boy, and it runs 7. That's right. No, I didn't say 5, 6. You didn't hear wrong. Your YouTube is not messing up. 7 hours straight using this bad boy. 7 hours. All the rest do about 3, 4, what about 7 hours non-stop. You could go a whole day without charging this bad boy. And there it is, quiet as can be. This is insane. It is beautiful. 7 whole hours. You'll be here all day. 7 freaking hours non-stop. If you had 2 of these bad boys, you could go 14 hours of cuts non-stop. You know how crazy that is? This bad boy is insane, man. And it can go 7,000, what? 7,000 RPM, like nothing to it. 7,300 RPM, like nothing to it. This is the Limural F30. You're gonna want this bad boy. This is the way to go. We call these the clippers of the future, but I'm just letting you know what it is, what it is. Get yours now. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this bad boy up and do some cuts for you, and you're gonna see it in a few minutes, all right? Yo, it's your main man Ty. Check out part 2 of this bad boy. Don't go nowhere. It's connected to this doggone video. I'm gonna show you right now. So peace.
I think that's an excellent place to start, even in a police department, the human side.
To be able to be nice enough in the social dimension.